In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable desktop notifications for Google Chat, ensuring that you never miss an important message. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to navigate to chat.google.com in your web browser. Or you can simply open the Google Chat desktop app if you have that installed. Remember, accessing Google Chat requires you to be signed in to your Google account, so make sure you've logged in. Once you're on Google Chat, we're headed to the settings. Look towards the upper right part of your screen for a gear icon, which represents settings, and give it a click. If desktop notifications are currently disabled, you might notice a message saying something like, "You are not getting notifications because desktop notifications are disabled in your browser. Enable notifications in your browser to get notifications from Google Chat." This is a helpful reminder that we'll need to tweak a few settings in your browser next. Now let's open a new browser tab. Look towards the upper right-hand corner again, and this time find the three-dot menu right beside your profile picture on the taskbar. Click that to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, select Settings. You'll notice a variety of options, but our focus is on the Privacy and Security section, which you can find on the left-hand side of the window. Click on it, and it will open up a range of settings related to your privacy. Within this section, locate Site Settings. Inside the Site Settings menu, there's a category called Permissions. This is where you can control what various sites are allowed to do. You'll want to find and choose Notifications. Clicking on this option will show you various settings related to how sites can notify you. Within the Notifications settings, you should see an option that says, "Sites can ask to send notifications." If this option isn't already selected, go ahead and click it. This enables sites, including Google Chat, to request permission to send you notifications. There's no need to worry about searching for a Save button because browsers, in most cases, automatically save changes made to settings. So, once you've selected "Sites can ask to send notifications," your settings are already locked in. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled desktop notifications for Google Chat. Now, you'll be all set to receive real-time alerts for messages, ensuring that you're always up to date and connected, whether for work or personal communication. Thanks for tuning in today, and if you found this guide helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tips and tutorials like this one. I'll catch you in the next video.